Okay, we'll do a quick demonstration of the STARESSO to espresso maker. So we have all the parts lined up here. This part is the only one I won't be using because it's the one that you can use for pods if that's what you end up using. I have my hot water here. I'm going to start by putting my espresso into this metal sleeve and tamping it down slightly. I'll use just one scoop from the scoop that was provided. I'll screw it into this piece. Goes right in. Normally you might have all of these things put together, but I wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to put them together when you're making your espresso. And now we fill this chamber with water. Basically to your heart's content so that you can pump out your espresso basically to your desired strength. Now that everything's assembled, all we do is we pump here. It'll slowly build up pressure. And you can really feel the pressure now. And now it is sending that water through the espresso. And you can see that nice foamy crema upper layer in what we're pumping out. This is also my first time using this new machine. I've used a past version and absolutely loved it. And again, you can kind of pump based on the amount of water that you put into the system. I'm going to go up to about 2 ounces. I put a bit more water than that in. And actually now I feel the resistance go, which means that I've gone through most of the water in there. There's not a lot of pressure left. And with that, we have a nice, easy, delicious espresso.
Okay guys, so let's make a coffee. I'm now at my office, so first let's add some water. Okay. And now we get the capsule, right? We just put it here. And then we just press here. Okay. Now we put here, right? And just add. Okay. So let's add some water and let's pump. Okay. Okay, it's time to pump. Okay, so the coffee is coming down. Right? Okay. Now we have a really nice cup of coffee. Okay.
So overall, I followed the instructions, right? As you can see, it is super weak. And I filled it up to the fill line where you're supposed to go. But it just really, I don't know, I don't feel like it holds enough coffee. Like, I don't think I can open this. Hold on, guys. hard to do this one-handed. But when you open this, like as you can see, all the coffees are spill out because it doesn't actually get all of the stuff out. Hold on. Oof, ow. Oof, nearly burn yourself. So as you can see, there's a lot of water left in there. It doesn't actually like, I don't know, and I pumped it as far as it would go. It's super hot. You can see the steam coming off of it. But yeah, it's like, I would say it doesn't really work.
Okay, final step. This is so dependent on my mood. Someday I drink darker. Let's just say this is gonna be a sweet day. Come on. Hurry up, get it. I'm gonna empty it later. It's beautiful. Tasty. I thought it was gonna be watery, but it's not. Very strong coffee coming out. I use the ground, not the capsule. So just fill the coffee in here. Close it. I can't do it with my one hand, but it's on the bottom here. Anyway, sorry for the mess.
So this is the older model that they used to do with plastic, and this part right here splattered off while making the coffee. The hot water goes inside here, and you can see that the housing is all plastic. So this is what just shattered off, splattering the hot water and burning my hand. This is the second machine of this type that broke. I did order the new one. The box is still the same. They do have a sticker saying it's upgraded. The machine inside is different than what's in the picture. If you can see, it's a different housing, different cup. Same pump, looks like. But inside now they have stainless steel. Looks like this is a stronger model. Maybe this will last.